Hi, I'm Christian Hurd, and today in this clip we're going to learn how to lower the action on an Epiphone guitar. Okay, so Epiphone is a company that's a part of Gibson now, and most of their guitars nowadays are just like a lot of Gibson guitars. They use tunematic bridges. In this case, I'm tuning the standard pitch. Step 2, you're going to want to adjust the truss rod. You're going to want to use a Phillips screwdriver on this. You've got 3 screws here on this truss rod cover. Unscrew them like so. In this case, we're going to use a 5mm Allen wrench or hex key. Working it clockwise is going to tighten it or cause more of a back bow or work its way towards a back bow. Working counterclockwise is going to give it more relief or more of an archer's bow. And step 3, you're going to adjust the saddles. Generally, when I'm adjusting saddles, I'll start with setting the bass side to 7/64 of an inch on the bass side and 3/32 of an inch on the treble side. Clockwise is going to bring the action down. Counterclockwise is going to bring the action up. You're going to want to tune after each adjustment. Step 4, check string height at the nut using a micrometer. On the bass side, anywhere from a 1/64 of an inch to a 1/32 of an inch is an acceptable range to start with. On the treble side, a little closer to a 1/64 of an inch is probably best. Step 5, if adjustments are necessary, we'll use a gauged file for each slot and very carefully move it back and forth until you get the desired height. If you go too far, you might have to build it back up. Hopefully you won't have to use these during this part of the setup. Hopefully your guitar is already fairly close in that range. Once you've got the action to the desired height, check your intonation. And you do that by tuning up all the open strings. And then play the octave string or play the same note on the 12th fret, in this case the low E, and then the octave. And you're going to want to make sure that those are in tune with each other. I'm Christian Hurd, and that's how you lower the action on an Epiphone guitar.